right, we're moving into our last story. There's a man who is on social media claiming that global Afrobeat star Asake is his son. Now, he says that at the age of 14, he had Asake, and because he was a teen dad, he couldn't take care of him. He actually took him to adoption. Now, he says that if he knew that Asake was going to be a global sensation like this, there's no way he would have given him up for adoption. Let's take a look at the video.
A lot of people do not know that I was a teenage father. When I was a teenager, I was, 14? I had a son. And I ended up giving him up for adoption, mostly because I just didn't give a shit. But if I knew he was going to become successful in life, I would have never given him up for adoption. I would have kept him, raised him myself so I could enjoy his success. But we named him Tanimutanko Ibn Shakalitali. But he changed his name because he didn't want anything to do with us. And now you all know him as Asake. Asake, please come home.
Anyway, this has to be a joke, but if it's not, let's see how it goes. My name is Ajofrin Poma, and this is what we have for you today for MX Breakz. You can go on our social media pages and leave your comments in there, and that will be very much appreciated. I'll come your way same time tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day.